Mazumdar from LEXIS and Company. Today we talk about the topic, the key elements of the acts which are related to the corruption. First is Indian Penal Code 1860. It talks about, according to the IPC, public servant refers to any government officials, military, navy or air force officers, police officers, judge or other officials of the court of justice, as well as any local authority established by a center or state act. A government officials who buys or bids on property unlawfully is in violation of section 169. A government official who violates the law will be punished with up to 2 years of imprisonment, a fine or both. If the property is purchased, it shall be confiscated. Section 409 pertains to criminal breach of trust by government officials, the officials which will be penalized with life imprisonment or fine. Next is Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. In addition to the groups included by the IPC, the term private servant also refers to officials working for banks, universities and the public service commissions, as well as corporative societies that receive government's funding. A government official or public servant faces a minimum 6-month sentence and a maximum 5-year sentence and fine if he or she take gratification other than his or her legal remuneration in exchange for performing an official act or influencing other public employees. Next is the Benami Transactions Prohibition Act 1988. The act prohibits that any Benami transaction which is defined as buying anything under someone else's name without paying for it, with the exception of when a person buys something in his wife's or unmarried daughter's name. Anyone who engages in a Benami transaction shall be punishable with a sentence of up to 3 years in prison or fine. Next is the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Government officials who engage in money laundering are subject to punishment under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002. According to the act, whoever a person participates in any procedure involving the proceeds of crime and presents those proceeds as untainted property, money laundering has been committed. Any property acquired by a person as a result of criminal conduct connected to some of the offences in the schedule of the act is referred to as proceeds of crime. Thank you all. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.